Hey guys, I'm Vinson from the band Murderous Mary, and I play Collision Drumsticks. You know, I've been playing drums for over 30 years. All the way up from elementary school up to high school, middle school, drumline, drum and bugle corps, the whole 9 yards. Through high school I played in a lot of little cover bands here and there and a few punk rock metal bands, but as time grew on, got older, and ran into a good friend of mine that I've been in a band with for 20 plus years now, and we've got this band now called Murderous Mary. It's a melodic rock group from Cookeville, Tennessee. It has all the social media links you need. You can just go find us on Murderous Mary on Facebook. There's a couple things I want to talk to you about these Collision drumsticks here. I've been using them for a little while now, and I have to say that they take a beating. I'm a heavy hitter. I used to have a previous endorsement through another stick company, and let me tell you, by far these are the best sticks I've ever used. I'm using the 5BR Reach. They're just a little bit longer than normal sticks. The one thing I do like about them is the taper. It's got a really nice taper where I can get a better bite on the cymbal. What else can you say? The balance is great. Durability's there too, by far. I don't know much more I can say. They reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in joining the Collision family. And after playing them for a while, I have to say, yeah, I want to be part of the Collision family. So I want to thank the team at Collision for hooking me up with these drumsticks. And the song I want to play for you is a song called Scorched Earth.